Two top contenders in family digital safety, Aura and Bark. But in 2025, which one really delivers? On the left, Aura, total family digital safety, bundled with antivirus and identity protection. On the right, Bark, the AI-powered watchdog of social feeds and locations. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's what we're looking at in today's showdown. We've got price, device and platform support, screen time management, content monitoring, digital security, location tracking, setup and ease of use, and that all-important family focus. Each category tells a different story about how Aura stacks up against Bark. So, starting with price. Okay, Aura definitely comes out swinging with a lower starting point. And if you've got a big clan, those family plans are super comprehensive. Oh, and they throw in a longer free trial. But here's the catch. If you want their top-tier family plan, you might end up paying more than Bark Jr. Bark, on the other hand, Bark Jr. is almost suspiciously affordable. Unlimited devices? Nice. And annual discounts, too. But keep in mind the premium plans get pricier than Aura's. Plus, the free trial is a bit shorter. Overall, Aura takes the win for price, especially if you're family-focused. Up next, device and platform support. So, let's be real. Aura covers the basics, iOS and Android. And yes, unlimited devices. But if you've got Chromebooks, gaming consoles, or you're that family with every gadget under the sun, no dice. Bark, though, wow. You've got support for basically every device. Windows, Mac, Fire tablets, even gaming consoles. Unlimited devices, too. So, Bark totally owns this category. Now, screen time management. With Aura, you've got easy, built-in controls. You can straight up pause the internet. Kind of satisfying when someone ignores you at dinner. And adult and violent content filters are baked in. It's simple, but maybe a little less customizable if you're picky. Bark is all about customization. Schedules can get super granular, especially if you've got kids with totally different routines. Even throws in educational messages when it blocks stuff. Downside, though, could be more complicated to set up. But both are strong here, so it's honestly a tie. Did you know? Bark can monitor DMs in over 30 social apps, even TikTok. Aura doesn't touch social media, but wraps your family in antivirus, VPN, and identity theft shields. Makes you wonder, are you the hands-on type or just want peace of mind? Next up, content monitoring. Aura blocks the sketchy stuff and has safe gaming features with some activity reporting. But let's be clear, there's zero social media, texting, or email monitoring. If you want the deep dive, Bark's where it's at. AI scanning through like 30-plus platforms. Emails, texts, you name it. You get alerts on concerning convos and even image and video checks. Warning, it can feel like a lot of alerts at first, and you'll be tweaking settings. But still, Bark completely dominates here. Time for digital security. Aura's whole vibe is total family safety, right? You get antivirus, a VPN, password manager, ID theft alerts. The works. Their plans really bundle everything. No tiptoeing around. Bark sticking to website and app blocking. And, well, that's it. No antivirus, VPN, or dark web stuff. Hands down, Aura just blows Bark away on this one. Okay, location tracking. Here's where Aura just does not show up. Like nothing. Not even a basic GPS ping. Bark, though, gives you real-time location tracking, geofencing, so you know if your kid leaves the park, and even a check-in info feature. So yeah, Bark absolutely wins this category. All right, setup and ease of use. Aura is super quick to set up. You pretty much just plug it in and let it do its thing. It's designed to be prevention first, so it regularly gives you helpful reports and doesn't need a ton of micromanaging. Bark, on the flip side, is a tinkerer's dream if you're into granular controls. But wow, setup can be a beast, and if you're not ready for endless alerts, it might get old really fast. Easy win for Aura. Last, family focus. Aura is basically built for whole family digital safety. So, if you want to protect everyone, not just your kids, it covers parents too. Plus, there are personalized security recs. To be honest, some folks might find it a bit extra if you're just looking for basic kid controls. Bark, meanwhile, is laser focused on the kids, especially if you're worried about their social or outdoor life. It's awesome for social monitoring or keeping tabs when they're out, but it kind of stops there. So, Aura wins for overall family coverage. Looking at all the scores side by side, it's honestly clear how different these two are. Bark rules social and location monitoring, while Aura runs the table for all-around family digital safety and security. So, let's put it all together. If you want digital protection for your entire family, and honestly, you want it easy without getting buried in settings and alerts, Aura is what you want. It's the all-in-one package, especially for parents who want cybersecurity thrown in. But if your biggest concern is what your kids are up to on social media, texting, or, just keeping tabs when they're out, Bark is the winner there. Just get ready for a steeper learning curve and a bit of alert fatigue. Personally, I lean towards Aura for big families, but Bark is crazy good for deep parental oversight. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.